Hello, fan collectors. Braxton the Vintage Fan Man here, and what we have here today is a Murray Feiss ceiling fan. But before we get into too much detail on this, we got special guests on the phone.
What's up, guys?
Hello, everyone. Alex Fan Man here.
Hello,
Howdy.
Fan Man 2000. Glad to be back on the channel. Haven't been on here in a while, so glad to be
I don't think I've ever been featured on your channel, Braxton.
Oh yeah.
I don't think I have either.
Yeah, both of you haven't. Troy has, Cody has, and Donovan has. So
Howdy.
yeah, so back to the Murray Feiss. This thing is pretty unique. I think this is the first one to surface in the fan community, as far as I know. Because here's
I've never
the
seen that before.
yeah, it's a Murray Feiss, and I'll actually show the tag real quick. Whoa, downrod fell. I'll pick that up. I'll pick it up when I'm done. So here's the tag. You guys go. So let's unplug that fluorescent light now. Here's the light. It did have the light kit. It didn't have the shades nor light bulbs when I got the thing. So yeah. I'll leave the light on for the rest of the video. So here's low. And the blades are pretty badly warped, so it's gonna wobble on when we get to the higher speeds. And I got this for $5 as well.
$5 is a good deal.
What'd you say, Tyler?
$5 is a good deal.
So here's medium.
That's pretty nice, kid.
Oh yeah, I've never seen one of these. The Murray Feiss in this type of finish, and there it goes, starting to wobble.
Furry mice. Oh, this makes me shouldn't have furry mice.
Okay, that's not right now, Alex. Yeah, it's definitely having a wobble. And high speed is where the worst is.
Running on high speed.
There it goes. Whew, that's a bad wobble. That's because of the blades being warped. It's moving a good amount of air, actually. Sounds like the bearings are making noise, so I'm gonna have to do something about that later on. Spin down. What's y'all's opinion on this thing?
I like it.
I like it.
Nice fit.
What about you, Troy?
I think it's cool too.
$5 was a good deal for that.
Yeah, $5. Yeah, I've been getting my fans a lot lately from Habitat for $5.
I've been finding fans in my Habitat for $1 going from that.
Oh wow, so it's cheaper than mine. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Crazy. That's been the setting I got for $1.
Oh wow.
I know. Crazy. I snapped that thing looks so quick.
I got another fan I need to film after this. Once someone else starts. Once either Donovan or Cody starts filming, or after they're done filming, I got some other videos myself I need to film.
Yeah, I'm not filming tonight.
Hey, Jacob. It's Jacob.
Hello? What's up, Jacob?
And someone else just joined.
This is broken. It's the Fan Lover 27. There we go.
Alright.
You know, I got some of my color
Come on, stop. Better not copyright my video.
That's a good song.
It is a good song. I do understand that, but I just don't want my video to get copyrighted.
What I like, that's what I like.
Oh my gosh.
How bad I didn't know we were filming the video.
I am. Come on, stop. Okay, it's coming to a stop. 0 to high, and then that's going to be the last thing. Your typical startup. And there goes wobbling again.
Oh yeah, that happened as well.
Well, that's all for today, folks. Do y'all have anything else to say
Peace.
about the Murray Feiss? Yeah. Yeah, that's all I got for today, folks. Have a great rest of your day, folks, and
Have a good night, folks.
and peace.